When did you run out of gas? 10 o'clock this morning? How many inches of water did you have in your basement last time it flooded?
About a foot of water. Whole basement.
Where did you pick up the sandbags?
I went to King's Supply, and right in front of me somebody bought 50 bags. There were Adams, and I went to another place, and that's where I bought the bags.
Now, did they charge extra
No.
because of it?
$1.65 a bag, cheap.
Very good.
No, they were very nice. They told me they got a phone call from a Staten Island hospital for 1,000 bags.
And they were able to supply the hospital?
They were out.
Totally out. Wow.
Okay.
How many gallons are you filling up right now?
8.12, almost 8
Now,
gallons.
sir, what was the price of the other gas stations?
$3.79.
$3.79. And how much is it over here? $4.03.
Yeah, it's more than that.
Okay. Now, is that
You gotta get close in here.
is that upsetting to you?
Of course.
Okay. Now, are you going to report this gas station to 311?
Yeah, Monday. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Is there any reason why your gas more than every other local gas station around here?
Because yesterday we don't have any gas. We are only 93, so we finished. And today we just delivered gas, and the company charged me more. That's why we upped the price. So we still open.
So the company is charging you
Of
more?
course, company, because they track today only. That's why we pay extra, and then we have to little bit up.
Running low.
You're running low.
Yeah.
Are you going to run out tonight?
Nah.
You'll have enough until
have
tomorrow.
enough for tonight.
Okay. Are you going to be raising the prices because of the storm?
Not at all.
Okay.
We don't do those kind of things.
Okay. Thank you.
Will affect you. Not really terrible right now.